like reading children's novels? If you do, you definitely have heard about Roald Dahl. Roald Dahl is undoubtedly one of the most popular children's authors. Some of his greatest works are Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, James and the Giant Peach, the BFG, etc. The chapter in your book Honeycomb, The Invention of Vita Wong, is an excerpt from the novel Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. You may have even watched the movie. If you haven't, give it a try. You will definitely like it. In this chapter, we get to witness a conversation between Mr. Willy Wonka and Charlie regarding Mr. Wonka's methods of preparing a special potion. If you don't know, let me tell you that Mr. Willy Wonka is the owner of the chocolate factory where Charlie is paying a visit after winning a lottery. The introduction to the chapter tells us that Mr. Wonka had invented a special potion called Wonkavite that made people younger. But the potion was so strong that sometimes people on which it was administered disappeared because their age became minus. To reverse the effect, he had to invent another potion that would increase people's age. To do that, he had to find out the oldest living things and do experiments on them. Mr. Wonka names several things that live really long. The first of such examples is bristlecone pine that grows upon the slopes of Wheeler Peak in Nevada, USA. Some of these trees are over 4,000 years old. Mr. Wonka says that he boarded his great glass elevator and visited different corners of the world and collected special items from the oldest living things. These were a pin-top sap from a 4,000-year-old bristlecone pine, the toe-nail clippings from a 168-year-old Russian farmer called Petrovich Gregorovich, an egg laid by a 200-year-old tortoise belonging to the king of Tonga, the tail of a 51-year-old horse in Arabia, the whiskers of a 36-year-old cat called Crumpets, an old flea living on that cat, the tail of a 207-year-old giant rat from Tibet, the black teeth of a 97-year-old grimalkin. Grimalkin is actually another term for cat. The knuckle bones of a 700-year-old Cataloo. Cataloo is actually a crossbreeding between a cow and a buffalo. Mr. Willy Wonka also names some imaginary animals like the whistle pig, the bobolink, the scroc, the polyfrog, etc. After a lot of experimentations with all these materials, Mr. Wonka managed to produce a tiny cup full of oily black liquid. He gave 4 drops of it to a brave 25-year-old Oompa Loompa. Let me tell you that Oompa Loompa is actually a term for dwarves. Charlie seems curious to learn what happened to the Oompa Loompa. Mr. Wonka reveals that the young Oompa Loompa eventually turned into an old fellow of 75. So Mr. Wonka's experiment was successful and he managed to create Vita Wong, the antidote of Wonkavite. Read the story. I would also suggest you to read the source novel, which will definitely give you much entertainment. You may also try the movie that is made on this novel. That's all for today. Thank you.